Hi, myself Kirtan. My mother tongue is Gujarati, and you know how it is. So when it comes to secondary language like English, we always think in Gujarati first, and we don't know how to deliver it in English. Then after on, I was introduced to this Learned Education Training Program.
Hi, I'm Lata. I was having a problem for listening. That was a big challenge for me, and that was affecting my work also. I'm fortunate enough to be introduced to Learned Training Program.
Hello, I am Harshit Jardosh. My basic problem was written communication. I was facing difficulties in email writing, in which I could not edit my own emails. Fortunately, I came across Learned Training Program.
Hi, I am Janil. Language was not my problem. My problem was stage fright. Luckily, I was introduced to the Learned Training Program.
Hi, I am Akash. Getting my body language right for presentations was really a challenge for me. I feel fortunate to be introduced to the Learned Training Program.
Group activity was pretty interesting in this training program. Listening story and then write the same, watching movie and write blanks in the question paper was a bit challenging for us.
What I liked the most about the program was we did tasks in groups of 2 and 3. So that really helped in breaking the ice between us as colleagues. And our trainer, Ms. Sarana Patel, brought so much energy to the class that we enjoyed every bit of this program.
We were given a task to arrange a meeting, and the main hurdle for us is to communicate in English for 15 long minutes. In early 10 minutes, we were just looking at each other that who is going to start meeting. After a few sessions of this program, we were assigned the same task again. And really, you don't believe that our instructor needs to interrupt us in between just to remind us that it is already half an hour long.
The most interesting thing that in Learned Training was listening skill, which interested me a lot, in that certain strategies were told to us that how good it is to be listening properly, like pay attention, don't put assumption. I have implemented this same thing in my work and at home.
The most interesting part during our session was the impromptu speech. The first time I gave the impromptu speech in front of audience, and I loved it. I loved the techniques, how to effectively give the speech in front of audience within less time.
After just a 3 weeks of training program, I was able to completely conquer my stage fright and was able to successfully deliver in front of large audience.
The habit that I have cultivated from this training is that I am more conscious about my audience now so that they can interpret my message well.
This training content is very helpful to me in a daily conversation with my office colleagues as well as foreign colleagues. I have started reading novels as well as English newspaper.
Before presentations, I used to record myself on mobile to analyze my presentation and improve it.
Many new things which I never knew before in this program. It helps me also in my workplace interaction. Likewise, I learn listening with intent, how to offer new ideas in meeting, how to ask questions skillfully, and the best thing I learned is how to write an email with you attitude.
Now I have overcome several hurdles in my way to build a successful career.